Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the shortcut key for sum in Excel. Let's get started. If we need to add up values, let's begin by selecting the cell where we want to display the result. Next, use the shortcut Alt and the equal sign. Immediately, the cells that are supposed to be added will be highlighted. If you need to change the selection, just click into any corner of the area, hold the left mouse button, and drag to redefine which cells you want to add up. Now press Enter, and that's all it takes. Let's explore another helpful way to use the shortcut key to add values in Excel. Start by selecting the cells containing the values you want to add up, then use the shortcut key Alt and the equal sign. The result will appear right away in the cell just below the area you've selected. The same method works for adding up values by rows. For guidance on other useful Excel shortcuts, watch our other video tutorials. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.